Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My husband and I have very different sleep styles, and it's hard for us to find a bedding that makes both of us comfortable and happy. Well, we have definitely found unity in the love we have for this bedding set from Homzard. My husband likes that it's lightweight and not harsh on his skin, and I love that it looks so pretty and the material is soft and durable. I am in love with this color scheme. I love the different shades of blue, gray, and white. But this company also offers several other styles, so you're sure to find one that fits your decor. This three-piece set comes with a quilt and two shams, and all of them are stitched together very well and made of soft cotton, which means that you can throw these right into the washing machine when it's time to clean your bedding. The stitching is woven throughout the quilt and the shams, and it gives a little texture to the design. It is reversible with a simple gray pattern on the back. As you can see, we have pets in this household, and even with all of the abuse that Scooter has put this quilt through, it shows no signs of loose stitching, scratches, or holes. So if you're in the market for a beautiful and comfortable quilt set for your bedroom, then I highly recommend this three-piece quilt set from Homzard. And that's my point of view.